Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela. Finally guys, the hockey club members have been revealed. Allegedly, the famous rich gang has been exposed. We all know that Jackie Famoti, who is a retired Slay Queen babe, exposed the hockey club in her books, but he never mentioned the names. She only gave us a hint. Musa Khawula, who is the controversial entertainment blogger, allegedly exposed the club members kushubile kwa entertainment industry, skata after skata. He took it to his Twitter account and posted 2 images and captioned, "Meet some of the members of the hockey club, aka the presidential cartel led by Malombo." Trips reacted on the shocking news. Someone said something that is very interesting in the comment section. She wrote, "I remember in 2019, one of them booked at Point Waterfront in Durban and smashed some girl. Wavuka ekseni wathi ngathi engathola umfana manje. Is that you, Mbali? We honestly don't know." Hey, another pic surfaced where some members of hockey club were seen with Lerato Kganyago, the DJ. Another trip said, "So all these Herbalife cute boys are sponsored by these guys. Umuntu athi nywe Lamborghini with herbal money, and they are busy massaging the diets gang for some luxury lifestyle while hiding behind milkshakes maximum." One also said, "This is one of the Herbalife boys belonging to the hockey club, Bukosi Koza. He posted his brand new BMW in January this year. Later in June, he posted a brand new Mac he bought himself." But others believe Musa Khawula will end up dying for exposing such things. A trip said, "Did you just post Mkonza Tembisa's most feared man?" One also said, "Rip for real, Musa, rest in peace. That's all I have to say. Sizokukumbula." So it did not end there, guys. Apparently, there's also some presidential cartel members that were exposed by Musa. He allegedly took the news to the Twitter and wrote, "Met some of the members of the secret cult, the presidential cartel, with their wives. First frame, Malombo with his wife. Second frame, the Banyanes. Third frame, Tolo Matlala with his wife Charmaine." Someone sent a very strong warning message to Musa Khawula and said, "Man, please delete this. These people have money to locate you and take you out like it was an accident. This is your job, yes, but man, some people are really dangerous. Delete this. These people are deep in the taxi business. Their leader is Joe Ferrari. Please, dude." Yo, is Gata after Gata. What do you think about these allegations, people? Do you think Musa Khawula is really telling the truth here or he's lying? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.